I'm a huge fan of XVR with their teardown iPhone and frame it as an artwork. I wanted it badly, but it was not that wallet friendly, at least for me. So how do I actually get one here on my table? It was not from them. I actually DIY this and it cost shy RM100. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can actually DIY one for yourself and what's the items that you will need for this project. I also put the link on where you can actually buy them. Things that I use for this project are an iPhone 4 that I bought from Shopee. You can use any of your pre-loved device or purchase a second-hand or a faulty unit that you are interested for this project. A photo frame which I got it from IKEA is called Hofstar with the dimensions of 40cm by 50cm. You can use different frame designs or dimension. A Zalinda T8000 clear glue for smartphones and the tools to disassemble the device. If you are planning to create the iPhone 4, iPhone 5 or Game Boy handheld console, you can download the free template from XVArt. Link will be in the description box. You can design your own or just use white plain paper. I would recommend you using a thicker type of paper. Once you have all the items, you just need to take the device apart and give a good clean of all the components. If you are going to stick it on a plain paper without template, you may want to rearrange the components that you like before you sticking them. For my case, it took about 2 hours plus with the proper tools to dissect, clean, glue and frame it. I also used the nail-free 3M command strips to stick it onto the wall. So in case I would like to swap spot, I can actually remove the frame without damaging the wall. So why iPhone 4? It's the most iconic iPhone that Apple ever released. It's also the last iPhone that Steve Jobs designed. Worth noting, the iPhone 4 is the first iPhone to have a Retina display, front camera, glass and metal build. Importantly, it's the first iPhone that I ever owned. That's all from me for this DIY project. If you need questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, take care and I'll see you at the next one.